Umentri ka sorkar kami ubadekmi ya kanat sports and youth affairs hinna kala singi ublay jongatayo ulau late pan play ya ki ardli ki madan ki bagantup ya ka madan yilaka jong athletics but kumjo ka madan yilaka football ka badai jong sports authority of India ka badan hakut jong school ba North Eastern Hill University ka madan yilaka athletics ka dai ka plasyang daw synthetic track kat ba ka madan yilaka football ka dai ka plasyang ya daw artificial turf bala itu pad menjur ban penon kami ka da FIFA habakran hagani gisngi urijiju laong ba ka nong ba chlong kam dei kang ka nong ba ka beitnat hande ka dei ka jaka ka babyang nakam ta ki ja jingila kai baro compare wat la kam dei than ka badon haki kinjang lum ki bakam jrong penban ka balapat ban chim ne ben nyo ya ka kum ka wei ne ki high altitude training centers bat ka ban la ban pene shijunom Hakaba ki nong ilaka jonggeri gila ban wan ban kilan kerpang hakani ki jaka. Nalor katau loong bakumu menteri udang bu jengbut susu banang penkha yakum gine ki jaka ai jinghi kai ki bakerpang kum hapo Arunachal Mizoram ne hakiwe kiwe ne sakwe hangni hapo ke jala Meghalaya. Urijiju loong baka Meghalaya rengkat pat ki jala ke than ste la mengi kaba la ban sei ki babun ki rang bat ki thei la kai ki bakan sai na ka ne ka than hinrei ki jing bambyang ban ai ki jing hi kai ki papaka ne ki jing bambyang ka ta kru kom ban wat pnya ya ki sap ila kai ban nala bagi khana ki pelong pat ye ki jing ye bakinum la ban sandur ya ka sap ka phong ka ba ki khana jong ki jala ka than ki don hinrei na ka liang u rijiju la ong bo la bu ha u ya ka we ka thong ba pat kata galong bakat ban pai ke lempung ba ilakai Olympics house nem arhajar arpupra ka India kala dei ban rung yel dedi hagathup sipo ne prengki ri ke bai simanta hagani ke lempung hagaliang ke jingya ban khori kitakma hakaba na ban kenjo yakani ke thong ka jela site lam mingi ka don ki benda bakinla bakinyara plem hakaban penurlong yakani ke thong susu rijiju laong ba shan unsap song biang ya gejing elang ban perkhat sanibha saya kiwi kiwi pat ki jat kam ki benang la susu bandang busut hagani ke slem ai jing kai jong ka sai pat rengkat ke chinge trailang bat ki bor ki bedek mi jong ka skul ba nihu pat ka sarkar jala ansala pat ban pelong ya gani ke slem ai jing hi kai kum ka wei ne ki slem ba ne ka center of excellence jongkari Kibla ai jingkran lang hagadi ke singi ke kinthop ya ke jingkran plang sobha no regional director ke sai u Dr. Subhash Basumatri bar komjoru ke jingkran na ke joint secretary but bade arta director of sports and youth affairs jong ke sarkar jila ke kong WAM booth patla saki lang ya ke ne ke singi the deputy commissioner but superintendent of police East Khasi district ikong Ailulu but uba Silverstar nongteng Bat balaidon lang ki officer ke sai ke transport jong sarkar Meghalaya but ki khana ki basha hi kai
This is a historic occasion for all of us that today in the new year, in the beginning of the new year itself, we have arrived in this particular place. It's a very beautiful and polluted, zero polluted area where this center has been established. As you all know, the Sai Training Center Shillong was established in the name of SPD at that time, sometimes back in 1993. It was known as the Special Area Project Development. During that time, that was the scheme which was launched in association with the support of the government of Meghalaya, Department of Sports and Youth Affairs. Subsequently, this was renamed as Sai Sports Training Center in between. And finally, now it is known as Sai Training Center. It's no more a sports training center. It's a Sai Training Center. So uniformly in the whole country, under the leadership of our present minister, Rijiju sir, this has been made as uniform throughout the country. There will not be any more special area games, neither the sports training center. It is known as the Sai Training Center throughout the country.
I'm very delighted to be here after a long time of my planning to visit this Sai Training Center here in Shillong. Last time when I came here, I met some of the coaches in the guest house So I inquired about the facilities and the conditions of this particular sports center. They brought certain things in my notice, and I realized that we required to do some more thing for Shillong, because Shillong is not only a beautiful place, but the location is very suitable for various sports. This place is not very high in terms of altitude, but sufficient enough to be declared as a high altitude training center. It may be close to 5,000 feet or maybe slightly below that, but this is very appropriate. And this can be a permanent location, because normally high altitude training centers are temporary in nature. But this location is very appropriate to be a permanent center, as well as certain athletes can come here for acclimatization to be trained in the higher altitude. We have very few higher altitude centers in India, one in Silaru near Shimla. Now one here in Shillong. We have some locations in South India, in Uti and towards the Nilgiri hillside. And I'm also planning to have few more, maybe in Meghalaya, maybe in Arunachal Pradesh, and Aizawl also is having a good altitude. We can have varieties of disciplines here. Today I have realized that this is a very good property also, and the location also is very nice. I must thank the university authorities for having an agreement with the Sports Authority of India, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. So in the future, since we have such a lovely center, such a lovely facilities, we must utilize it fully. Of course, right now, because of the COVID situation, things are not very normal. I could see very few athletes, young athletes, some of them from archery, karate, and maybe from some other sports discipline. I could not interact with them yet fully. But when it is fully functional, I think this will be a location where you can see lots of activities. Since we have many sports disciplines being included in this center, we can have a large number, because we have 2 hostels of 100 athletes, the capacity. So we can have many more athletes. I could see some local boys and girls from Meghalaya are here. But since this is a very good training center, we can have players from other states also. As I said, for the purpose of training in the higher altitude, we can have players from other states coming for few period of time, say 1 month, 2 months, to make themselves used to in higher altitude training. So Meghalaya and whole of Northeast has a huge potential. We have seen some of the very international level players from this region, but due to lack of proper training and maybe more than that, we don't have proper scouting of talent at a young age. So we are unable to really realize the potential. But I have set a very clear target that by 2028 Olympics, India should be there in the top 10. Now for that, we will have to give lots of emphasis on the scouting of young talents. And we can see a very good contribution from Northeastern region. The 8 states in Northeast can really contribute 25-30% of the total medalists for the India in Olympics. So as the society moves ahead, as the society progresses, the sporting activities will automatically grow more and more, because it's a huge industry. The amount of employment the sports industry generates, from the manufacturing of sporting goods to the event management, event organization, tournament, it's a huge industry. It generates not only employment but very, very high level of revenue generation through the sports. Sports is one of the largest industry. If you see in the developed countries, it's a huge industry. The Northeast is gifted in that sense, and Meghalaya is one of the finest locations in India, not only in Northeast. The entire this plateau from Shillong right up to far away Bangladesh border and towards eastern and western side, it's an amazing land. I'm also trying to grant some more funds from my other ministry, Ministry of Minority Affairs. I have granted certain amount already, but I'm looking forward. I have told my secretary to approve more schemes for sports from Ministry of Minority Affairs. From the Youth Affairs and Sports, we will be doing more. But I want to use from the other ministry also. And we have included sports in the NEC. So NEC also can sanction money for the sports and adventure. It was not there, but I had insisted that it must be there because youth and sports activities is crucial for any society. So NEC also must do certain funding for creation of sports infrastructure. So this inauguration of this football ground and the athletic track, both I have seen good quality. Of course, the athletic ground is not complete because we have to lay the ground in the middle segment, and of course the other required facilities are also required. Just merely laying a track alone is not enough. There are certain things more are required to be done. We will see what else can be done, but I can assure our the officers from state government and the officials from the STC here that after some time we will try to assess that what else can be done for this center, because I could very well see the potential of this center, and we will have a good understanding with the university people so that we can really create this particular facility as one of the center of excellence in the country. This should be known across the country that it has a not only good climate and good facility, but the inherent training facilities can be created here so that we can have many more international players getting trained under this particular site center.
Where the inauguration has been this thing, Yamak. So this is the athletic track which has been completed 1.5 years back, but it has not been inaugurated. This is still fresh. This is he has dedicated for the athletes of this particular area of the country. So I request him, Honorable Sir, to unveil the sport.
सर एक बार बोलिए
एकदम मास्क तो हटा रहे